Ever found yourself frustrated with a slow, dusty laptop? Well, no more. Today we delve into the world of tech maintenance, exploring how to clean your laptop and boost its speed in just a few simple steps. So why bother with cleaning your laptop? Over time, dust, debris, and the occasional food crumb can accumulate in your laptop, slowing it down and causing overheating issues. A clean laptop not only runs smoother, but it also lasts longer. Before diving in, gather the essentials: a microfiber cloth, compressed air, rubbing alcohol, cotton swabs, and a small screwdriver. These tools will help you tackle both the exterior and interior of your laptop. Start by showing the exterior of your laptop some love. With your microfiber cloth, gently wipe down the surface to eliminate fingerprints, smudges, and dust. Pay special attention to the keyboard, trackpad, and ports. For those tricky nooks and crannies, a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol will do the job. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, it's time to delve into the interior. Carefully remove the back panel of your laptop using your small screwdriver. Once inside, use your canned air to blow away the dust from the fans and vents, preventing overheating and keeping your laptop running smoothly. Remember to do this in a well-ventilated area. But remember, a clean laptop isn't just about the physical. Unnecessary programs, temporary files, and potential malware can also slow down your system. Make sure to uninstall unneeded software, delete temporary files, and run a disk cleanup. Consider using a reliable antivirus software to scan for and eliminate any lurking threats. Voila! Your laptop should now be clean inside and out and ready to run at top speed. Regular maintenance following these steps will keep your tech in peak condition. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech enthusiast friends. Have any questions or want more tech tips? Drop us a comment below. Until next time, this is signing off. Stay techy, folks.